This is part two of this lesson, so I had to cut it short from part one. So it was something important I had to do. So now I'm back part two with this lesson of the recent markets has dropped because it had a 4 day winning streak from the Wall Street, and the Dow Jones dropped 198 points. And the S&P 500 dropped as well too. I believe negative 23 points as well too, ending a 4 day winning streak on the Wall Street. And continuing on with the reading where I left off at, this is part two of this sit-down lesson. And it says, resilience is a good word, says Julian Emmanuel, Senior Manager Director at Everscore ISI. The bottom line is that the economy forward-looking backdrops continues to soften. Even a present conditions of 2 to 3 GDP in one quarter remain strong, set again against the already defense positioning stocks remaining deadlocked in the 38,000 to 42 range. This week, the energy market became another potential source of uncertainty, and OPEC announced it will slash output by 1.16 million barrels of oil per day on Monday. West Texas immediate features had the biggest daily gain in nearly a year on the news. Given the transactions that the world is undergoing and its embrace clean and green energy, OPEC and understands all too well that it is still highly valued liquid gold, which at some point began to lose its shine, said Quincy Krupski, a chief global strategist for LPL Finance. And it says, until then, as the country dominates the OPEC, prepare for the future by spending trillions of dollars of rebuilding infrastructure and refocusing away the crude oil as their primary source of income. Managing the price of crude will be used more directly and aggressively than was anticipated, she said. So, but the main thing was, as of today, we had the stocks and markets crash as the Dow Jones and S&P 500 snapped its 4 day winning streaks. As it says, as economic worries continues to loom. So with that, hopefully the reading of this news article was edifying. As of April 4th, 2023, last updated on Tuesday, 4:26 p.m. Eastern Time. So with that, this is part one and part two of this lesson that I was just reading. And that shows you once again that the stocks is continue the worries about the forms of the economic, the growth of the economic, and the continuing rising of the inflation, and the interest rate continues to rise as well too, as the Federal Reserve continues to tackles to easing the inflation as well too. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Bakar double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely, and shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. Until then, I will say shalom.